Hey, bro!
Hey, hello.
Wow, long time no see!
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
Hey, Valentine soon eh?
Yeah. I bought something. You bought something also?
Yes, I buy chocolate for my girlfriend. Woohoo!
As usual.
Yeah,
Same thing.
what you buy?
Oh,
Wow!
this is what I bought for her.
Wow!
Yeah, I actually found this online. Yeah, so it's like synthetic roses, last forever. But it's chocolates.
Oh no! You want to give her now?
I'm actually waiting for her to come up.
Oh.
I want to surprise her actually. Yeah, she's coming up already.
Listen, listen.
She's there.
It's as simple as it seems.
Surprise!
The way that
Happy
time
Valentine.
slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies. Just close your eyes and then you'll see it. Love, love, love. Open up my heart and you'll find love. It's as simple as it seems. The twinkle in your eyes. The way that time slows down when you kiss me. As we fall asleep in a bed of butterflies. Just close your eyes and then you'll see it. You don't ever have to look too far.